Alright, here's some more topics, ideas, concept theories, things you can look into instead of doom scrolling to actually feed your brain a little bit more. Very math and science heavy, shocker. Look up the difference of real versus imagined events and how the brain processes them. They are shockingly similar. Like when your brain imagines a scenario, it has an extremely similar response in your mind as to if that thing were to actually happen, which is just showing how powerful our brains are. I remember one study that stood out to me, I can't remember where it was, but they had participants vividly imagine working out, and then they had participants that actually did work out, and the effects on the brain, not necessarily the muscles, but the effects on the brain were very, very similar. Next, look up the Heisenberg uncertainty principle in quantum mechanics. Look at the Fibonacci sequence and how it is connected and tied into nature, and oh my god, I think the connections between math and nature are so cool. Confirmation bias and availability bias in neuroscience and psychology. Look up cognitive load theory, and it's going to show you why we can't actually multitask and why your brain really needs deep focus to function at its best potential. Look up the default mode network and how to enter flow state. Hebbian learning, neurons that fire together wire together. Look up neuroplasticity and how to strengthen your neuroplasticity, because kind of like the first one, the brain is so incredibly plastic and we teach it what to think and how to work. Neuroplasticity doesn't discriminate, so whether it's a good habit or a bad one, whatever you are repeating, you are reinforcing. Stay hot, stay smart. Mwah.